Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. I want to show you something very basic, checking the transfer case fluid. It'll be super easy, I can do it and you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Here we go. And come right up here. This is your fill plug / check plug. This one right here is a drain plug. How do you tell the difference? Well, things usually drain from the bottom. You fill them from the top. Easy enough. We'll take our 1 3/16 socket, an extension so we can get past this plate right here, and a ratchet. See if we can get this to break free. There we go. Break that free. Be prepared for fluid that may come out of this. Awesome, no fluid. Could be considered a good or a bad sign, I guess, really. We take our gloved finger, we're gonna bring it in and go just like this. Once we're inside the hole, see if we get any fluid on our finger. Oh yeah, we got fluid. We know it's full. Judging by the color of the fluid, looks as though it could be replaced. It should be kind of a pinkish red. But for the purpose of this video, which is to show you how to check your fluid, I would say that it's good enough. If you needed to add, you would go right here. And when you do add, you just want to wait until you see a tiny trickle of fluid coming out the top right there, and then you know it's full. With that said, clean this puppy off a little bit, make sure it looks good. Put it up in there. There's that. Snug it up, bottomed it out, give it a teeny bit more, and that's it. If you made a mess, go ahead and clean up your mess. Down the road you go. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.